Welcome to Product Critique, where we break down the best products on the market. And today, we're talking about the best snow chains tire traction cables you can buy right now. The Universal Anti-Skid Snow Tire Chains, designed for cars, SUVs, and trucks with tire sizes ranging from 145 to 295 millimeters. It's the middle of winter. The snow is piling up, the roads are icy, and you're stuck on the side of the road, tires spinning, going nowhere fast. That's where this product steps in like a winter superhero. These are not your traditional bulky snow chains. This is a modern solution, compact, efficient, and incredibly easy to use. These universal anti-skid snow tire chains feature a zip tie style strap design that makes installation almost effortless. No jack required. No complicated tools. Just thread them through your tire, pull tight, and you're done. Even if your hands are freezing or you're in the middle of a snowstorm, you can get these on in minutes. That's a huge advantage over traditional chains, especially in emergency situations. But the ease of use isn't the only selling point. These are built tough. The chains are made of high-strength engineering materials that are both durable and resistant to wear and tear. Whether you're driving on snow, ice, or even mud, they provide solid traction to help get your vehicle unstuck and moving again. And let's talk flexibility. They're designed to fit a wide range of tires, from small sedans to larger SUVs and light-duty trucks, so you're covered no matter what you drive. Each pack comes with 10 individual chains, so you can distribute them across the tire surface for maximum coverage and grip. And because they're reusable, you can keep them in your trunk for the entire winter season, ready to go whenever the weather takes a turn. One really smart design element is the anti-slip and anti-brake technology. The surface of the chain features upgraded studs and grooves that bite into ice and snow. That means more control, more stability, and fewer chances of fishtailing or sliding when you're on slick roads. Safety is clearly a priority with this product. Even at lower speeds in extreme conditions, these chains help reduce braking distance and improve steering control. For anyone driving through mountainous areas or unpredictable winter conditions, this level of confidence behind the wheel is priceless. What's more, they're incredibly compact. No rattling chains in the back of your car, no tangling, no rust. They're lightweight, easy to clean, and can be stored in a small pouch that barely takes up any space in your trunk. That means peace of mind without the bulk. And here's the part that really makes this stand out. You're getting an affordable solution that performs like a premium winter tool. You don't need to pay hundreds for traditional chains or take your chances with flimsy traction mats. This is a solid middle ground that gives you the reliability you need without breaking the bank. To sum it up, if you want a quick install, no hassle, durable, reusable, and highly effective snow traction solution for your tires, the Universal Anti-Skid Snow Tire Chains are your best bet. They're a must-have for any winter emergency kit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like and subscribe for more breakdowns of the best gear and gadgets on the market. Drive safe, stay warm, and keep your wheels turning, even when the snow's coming down hard. See you in the next video.